I had ordered on Amazon a powerful digital microscope. Most of these are made in China, and I am really wondering that they have developed electronics so much that we have nothing in India equivalent to them. And even if we ask the Indian suppliers to send information, they take weeks and months to send brochures or bulletins. So this is costing around 35,000 rupees, and it is one of the state of the art, what is known as the smart microscope. So in the subsequent videos, I will show the unboxing and till its installation, because for biological research, for research on gold, for research on various types of specimens, I will be using the smart microscope, which has a LCD, and it has a menu and 9-inch screen, and it will be very useful for research studies and analysis.